Imagine yourself standing at the edge of the vast, mysterious ocean, teeming with life and secrets. A world of wonder, filled with striking beauty and diversity. It remains largely uncharted due to its immense depth and harsh conditions. The ocean's depths, a realm that sunlight never reaches, hold secrets waiting to be discovered. However, the challenges of exploring this underwater world are immense, and to navigate through this enigmatic world we have to rely on technology, specifically artificial intelligence. As we dive deeper into the depths of the ocean, we rely on AI-guided robotic explorers to lead the way. These mechanical marvels, equipped with intellect of artificial intelligence, help us to map the uncharted territories of the ocean floor. They glide through the water, capturing high-resolution images and generating detailed maps with pinpoint accuracy. But the role of AI doesn't stop there. It aids marine biologists by identifying species, even those that are elusive and rare. It's like having an underwater field guide that never misses a beat. The prowess of AI extends to predicting ocean currents as well. It analyzes vast amounts of data to provide forecasts, guiding sailors and scientists through the unpredictable waters safely. AI also assists in artifact recovery from shipwrecks. It helps to locate and retrieve artifacts, preserving the tales of history hidden in the ocean's depths. From mapping the ocean floor to predicting ocean currents and aiding in artifact recovery, AI is our guiding light in the dark abyss of the ocean. But as we venture further, we must remember to tread lightly and respect the life that calls the ocean home. The mysteries of the deep are enticing, yet they carry a responsibility. As we unlock these secrets with the help of AI, we must ensure the protection of marine ecosystems. AI serves as a guardian, helping us balance our curiosity with care, minimizing disruption to underwater life. Thus, AI not only aids in exploration but also ensures that we protect the fragile marine ecosystems in our quest for knowledge. As we stand on the brink of a new era in ocean exploration, we see a future shaped by the powerful combination of AI and human curiosity. This synergy has already proven its worth, with AI-powered drones mapping the ocean floor with impressive precision, and AI software identifying underwater species, aiding marine biologists in their research. Behind the scenes, AI predictive modeling is a game-changer, predicting ocean currents and helping sailors and scientists navigate safely. But as we delve deeper into the ocean's mysteries, we must remember the importance of ethical exploration. AI assists us in this mission, helping to protect marine ecosystems even as we explore their depths. The future of ocean exploration is a thrilling prospect, one where AI and human ingenuity work hand in hand to uncover the secrets of the ocean. As we continue to navigate the abyss, AI will undoubtedly play a pivotal role, opening doors to new discoveries and a deeper understanding of our planet's final frontier.